the very sutra, before it lists them all, is very important and often missed out. And that says the whole purpose of doing these 8 limbs is for viveka, to develop clarity, discernment, discrimination. It's strengthening the aspect of mind that is wisdom mind, buddhi, and it's about setting aside who I am not. The process of neti via negativa. It's really about removing everything that I'm not, so that who I am rises back to the surface and reveals itself. And we have these 8 limbs to be able to do that. Plus Kriya Yoga, plus breaking the alliance with karma. The first 5 are things that we can do. They require effort. They require discipline. They're things we have to put in place all of the time. Niyamas is about removing the obstacles in your external world so you can go deeper. Yama is about getting your own house in order. Asana is creating a steady and comfortable body, creating a body that can support and tolerate more electricity, more prana, more current. Pranayama is the process that feeds that. Pratyahara is withdrawing the senses. And then when we do that regularly, we create the conditions for the last 3 limbs to happen. Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. And you can't make those happen. You create the conditions, and from those conditions, those things naturally arise, and we move towards Samadhi.